In this episode of Travel Dog, we eat some of the spiciest microwave meals on earth. Some with 5 chilies, some with 3 chilies, some that have tripe in them and are self-cooking. Yes, self-heating box of food. Look at the steam coming out of that thing. But these may look delicious, tasty and succulent. But which one made me do this?
I got the chill in my throat.
And which one made Rafi exclaim as soon as he ate it?
Instant spice throughout the mouth. Oh!
So enjoy this fiery and ferocious episode of Travel Dog.